Hi lovely guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you two types of clock widgets that are the best way to add a clock widget on a Samsung device. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. So the first thing you need to do is press and hold on your phone's home screen. After that, you'll see 4 new options appear at the bottom. One of them is Widgets. Widgets are small apps that show info or let you do tasks right from your home screen. They help you quickly check things like the weather, calendar, or music without opening full apps. Now, once you're in the widget section, on the 3rd row, you'll find the clock option. Tap the arrow to see different types of clocks available. We'll talk about them in detail later. Just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't see the clock option, simply use the search bar at the top and type clock to find it. Once you expand the clock section, you'll see 4 types of clocks. Alarm. Alarm lets you set a time for your phone to make a sound or vibrate to wake you up or remind you of something. You can choose the time, repeat days, and alarm tone. Digital clock. Digital clock shows the current time in numbers instead of clock hands. It can be placed on your home screen as a widget for easy viewing. Analog clock. Analog clock shows the time with moving hour, minute, and second hands on a circular dial. It looks like a traditional wall clock and can be added to your home screen. Dual clock. Dual clock shows the time for 2 different cities or time zones at once. It's useful if you want to keep track of time in another country along with your local time. So first we're going to use the digital clock. Press on digital clock and then select add. Now you'll see a nice digital clock added to your home screen. Only customization is left. When you press and hold the digital clock, you'll see 2 options, remove and settings. Let's go into settings. The day and light color setting changes the clock's color based on the time of day, brighter during the day and darker at night for better visibility. The transparency setting controls how see-through the clock looks. More transparency makes it blend with the background. Less makes it more solid and clear. Match with dark mode changes the clock color to match your phone's dark mode. When dark mode is on, the clock turns darker to be easier on your eyes. Customize it the way you like, then press save at the end. If you want to resize the digital clock, press and hold it again. You'll see lines or circles around its border. Drag those to make the clock bigger or smaller and place it where you want. Now let's move on and add the next clock. The whole process is the same. Go to the clock option again. And this time, I'll add the analog clock. Now you can see the amazing analog clock on the screen. The customization steps are the same, but when you go into settings, you'll see a new option called style. From there, you can choose different styles of analog clocks. Let me know in the comments which clock you like the most. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.